slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys, RepKicks back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Jordan 4s in the olive colorway. They're called Jordan 4 Crafts, I believe. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, show some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, follow your boy on Instagram, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So these took about 2 weeks to get here. I don't condone buying any of the stuff you see on the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. Just trying to educate y'all what you would get if you paid. So with that out of the way, that's basically it. These came, like I said, in 2 weeks. Boxes, double box, bubble wrapped, all that good stuff. So it came pretty mint. And yeah, man, let's get right into it. So starting off, we got the seller information here. Sorry, this piece of paper is so old now, I love it. But so you got the website, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide on your first order. So if you see this, you like something you see, make sure you take advantage of that. It only works one time per account. So that out of the way, here are the shoes. Just gonna take them off, take a quick look at this box. So you got the flight at the top. That's how the box is looking, nothing crazy. Got this like olive colorway going on, and here you can see Air Jordan 4 Retro SC Craft, medium olive, and something vanilla. I can't even read that. Pale vanilla. There we go. These are size 10. No suggested retail there. Bottom of the box. You know what's good with that. So inside, you just got some splatter paper, and box is looking pretty empty, man. Nothing else. So let's close that up. Throw it to the side, and here are the shoes themselves. So just throw this box more to the side so it's out of the shot. But yeah, here are the shoes. So just trying to play with the focus on my camera a little bit. But yeah, here you can see they look good, man. They look good as long as you like them. This is not a personal pair for me, so hey, I'm not a huge fan of the colorway, but people are. So some people are, at least. So I mean, there's that. Got it for a friend. Got them for a friend. And yeah, man, realistically, it really is just a pair of 4s that have that craft name. So I don't know if the materials, like I don't know the backstory behind that craft name, if the materials are supposed to be premium or what the case may be, but yeah, man, take a look at the shoe and you guys let me know what your thoughts are. So that's a suede. You can see it, actually it's really good quality. You can see the swipe marks. Yeah, so overall shoe looks good. There's no loose stitching that's obvious, no glue marks, nothing like that. Honestly, it looks better than a pair that I'd see sitting at the Foot Locker lineup. So there's that. You guys do what you want with that opinion as you please. If you want to be a supremacist and say, oh, I only buy retail and blah blah, hey, all on you, man. Spend that money. So we ain't doing that out here. I don't really buy much anymore, but when I do, spend my money wisely, especially with how expensive everything is nowadays, man. You gotta be smart. So yeah, taking a look here, you got the flight tag on the front with the Jumpman on the back. Inside, these are size 10 men's. Little Jumpman there. I don't know if y'all be able to read that, but you got the size tag up in there. Sorry for the shakiness. But yeah, still getting used to this camera, guys, so bear with me. Like, see, sometimes it focuses. Yeah, I don't really know. There we go. Now it's in focus, so with the stabilizer. But yeah, because I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max now, so the camera's a little bit better than my 12 Pro was, but I'm still getting used to it. So a little Air Jordan underneath the tongue there. Again, a switch focus. Air bubble up in there. And yeah, man, you know the drill. So that's the right shoe. Get the left shoe up in the shot. Same thing. Let me get the camera to focus up. long range. And yeah, I'm gonna mention this in this like drop of videos, but if you guys want me to, I've been thinking about moving over to TikTok. Maybe give me some ideas what I could do on there, and all that. Well, I actually do see something that's not normal for Jordans, which would be, or Jordan 4s, which would be that little patch there, which, yeah, so if you notice, actually, sorry for the shakiness, hopefully it stabilizes after, but so this is all that suede, and then you got this like, I forgot what this is called, man. I think this is just like the hairy suede, but on the other side it's all of that suede. So, and the netting actually, there's no netting there at all, if you guys can see that. It's just textured, so definitely more of a warmer winter fall shoe than a summer shoe, just because the breathability will be different. So, but yeah, you guys let me know what your thoughts are on these in the comment section down below. That's basically it for me, man. Just to let y'all know, I will be trying to drop more videos as I get things, but life has been pretty hectic lately, plus I just don't really buy things all that much anymore, so because I got way too much stuff that I don't use. So yeah, trying to be conscious of that. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel and you fuck with what you see, make sure to drop a like, support the channel in any way you can. Follow me on Instagram, DM me on there if you have questions. I'll be happy to help. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything out of the way. Hopefully you guys have a great day, night, morning, whatever time you're watching this. Enjoy it, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.